Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete old TikTok account without having a password, email address and a phone number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to open your TikTok account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So if you aren't logging into your TikTok and you have a different account that is an old TikTok account and you don't even have its password, email or phone number and you want to delete it, then all you can do is simply email support@tiktok.com. So once you open your email, go to the compose box, and in the compose box simply type in the address called support@tiktok.com. In the subject, you can simply write requesting that you are requesting them to delete your old TikTok account. So in email, you must include the following informations, like your email request must have your username or a birthday associated with your account presented in a month, date, and year format. So even if you don't have a password, email, or phone number, by just emailing them your username along with the associated birthday will help you delete your old TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.